All right, so as we established in 7A and 7B over here, the cheapest ticket per person when children are involved is going to be the family ticket, not the child ticket. Because again, as we said, even though the child ticket is the cheapest because it's $25, each child has to have an adult with them. So it's not 25 just for the child, it's 25 plus the 40 for the adult, which is 65, which averages out to $32.50 per person, which is not very cheap. So in this problem where it's asking us what is the least possible amount that was taken in ticket sales on Monday when we had 279 adults and 160 children, since it's the cheapest for the children to be a part of the family tickets, if every single child was a part of the family tickets, that's going to be the safe assumption that we're going to wind up with the least possible amount in ticket sales. So that means if there are 160 children at the park and there's 2 children per family ticket, that means we have 80 family tickets. So 80 family tickets times the $120 that each of them cost comes out to $9,600. Now, is that the answer? No, because we still have all of those adults that need to be accounted for as well. So there were 279 total adults minus the 160 that are accounted for by the family tickets, which leaves us with 119 adults left over. Now, as we established, it's $35 per person in a group up to 10 people, and each adult ticket is $40. So it would be preferred that we have only groups, right? So how many groups would it take per 10? So if we were to round this up, for example, it would be 120 people. That's 12 groups times 350 is $4,200. Now there may be a question here, why are we doing the group here? So it's very possible that some of you saw, okay, well, we'll do 11 group tickets, and then let me establish this as 12 group. You may have thought, okay, 11 group tickets and then 9 of the adults, maybe that's going to be what it is because we don't have the full 10 people for the group. Well, let's look at what happens. If we have the $350 and we divide it by 9 people, for example, that comes out to roughly $38.30, I think, something like that, which is still less than the $40. So it's still going to be cheaper to buy the group ticket per person than to buy 9 adult tickets, which 40 times 9 is $360. So that's still more expensive than the group ticket altogether. So we'll add those up, and our final answer will be $13,800.